Good morning, children. This is your reader book of class 3. You have read Till the Canary in this book from Unit 1 Animal World. Our next lesson is The Ostrich and the Hedgehog. Today we are going to read this lesson. Okay, children, first of all, I will read it. Repeat after me, and then I will tell the summary of this lesson to you. Let's read the lesson. One beautiful morning, in summer, a hedgehog went for a walk across a barley field. There were rows of tall barley plants in the field. At the edge of the field, he met an ostrich. "Good morning," he said to the ostrich in a cheerful voice. But the ostrich looked down at him and said, "I don't talk to stumpy-legged creatures like you." You can see here is a picture. This is an ostrich and this is a hedgehog. "My legs may be stumpy, but I can run faster than any other animal," said the hedgehog. "No one can run faster than I can. Don't you see how long my legs are?" said the ostrich. "Why don't we have a race?" said the hedgehog. "Then we'll see who is the faster runner, you or I." "Agreed," said the ostrich. "Shall we start?" But the hedgehog said, "Let me go home and take my breakfast. I can't run on an empty stomach. Shall we have the race at midday?" "Sure," said the ostrich. The ostrich went home and went to sleep. The hedgehog went home and brought his mother and father, brothers, sisters, cousins, even aunts and uncles to the barley field. He made them take their position in such a way that there was a hedgehog at both the ends of each row of barley plants. At midday, the hedgehog and the ostrich met at the barley field, and the race started. The ostrich began at the first row. He took long strides and soon reached the end of the row. He was surprised to see a hedgehog already there, waiting for him. "So you have reached," said the hedgehog to the ostrich. You can see here, this is a barley field and the ostrich is running. The ostrich was so surprised that he did not reply. He ran back along the next row. Again, when he reached the end, he found a hedgehog waiting for him. The ostrich could not tell the difference between one hedgehog and another and believed that he had been bitten. This happened several times. When he reached the end of the last row, he found a hedgehog sitting there also. The hedgehog was fresh and smiling. The ostrich could not understand how he had been bitten by a stumpy little hedgehog. He went away on his tired, sore feet and buried his head deep in the sand. So what happened in this story, children? There is an ostrich and a stumpy-legged hedgehog. And one day, hedgehog greeted ostrich, but in his pride, he did not answer him. And instead of it, he challenged him to race with him. Both of them reached at barley field to get start their race, and what happened? The hedgehog played a trick. What trick he played? He make his relatives stand in each of the row of barley field. You can see here, look at this picture. This is a hedgehog, this is a hedgehog, and this is also a hedgehog. But the ostrich started running as a race, and whole field he used to run, and at last he was bitten by a small hedgehog. What lesson are you getting from this chapter, children? We are getting that if we want to overcome any trouble, we should not lose our hope. We should try our cleverness, our wit to overcome any trouble. Okay, children? Thank you.